this video, we will cover IELTS Academic Writing Test. Here you will find all the basic information you need to know about the IELTS Academic Writing, such as why choose IELTS Academic, important facts, the test format, and the skills assessed. So why choose IELTS Academic? IELTS Academic is required by universities and professional registration bodies. You should take the academic test if you want to apply for a place at a university or other higher education institution in an English-speaking country or in a non-native English-speaking country where courses are taught in the English language. The academic qualification is also generally preferred by professional bodies in English-speaking countries and required for registration. This is particularly the case in fields such as medicine, nursing, pharmacy, accounting, engineering, law, and teaching. It is different from the IELTS general test, which is for people wanting to work in or immigrate to the UK, Ireland, Australia, Canada, or New Zealand. Here are some important facts. For task 1, you need to write a minimum of 150 words within a time duration of 20 minutes. For task 2, you need to write a minimum of 250 words within a time duration of 40 minutes. The total time to complete the test is 60 minutes. Task 2 contributes twice as many marks to your overall score as task 1. Now let's have a look at the test format. For task 1, you are required to write a short essay based on information contained in one of the following: a bar chart, a line graph, pie chart, table chart, maps, process diagram, or multiple graphs, which is a combination of charts, graphs, and/or a table. You will have to describe, summarize, or explain the information in your own words. For example, you may be asked to describe and explain data, describe the stages of a process, describe how something works, or describe an object or event. For task 2, you must write an essay on a topic of general interest. The essay will be a response to a specific point of view, problem, or argument that will be stated in the question. There are 5 types of task 2 essays: opinion essays, discussion essays, problem solution essays, advantages and disadvantages, and double question essays. Your response to both tasks should be written in a formal style. As with all elements of the IELTS exam, the IELTS Academic Writing Test is marked according to 4 marking criteria. These are task achievement, which is an appropriate response to the task; coherence and cohesion, which is the ability to present a well-structured essay; lexical resource, the ability to use a range of appropriate vocabulary and to use it correctly; and finally, grammatical range and accuracy, which is the ability to use grammar correctly and to use a range of grammar forms. Each of these carries 25% of the marks. The 2 parts of the IELTS Academic Writing Test are designed to assess your ability in different skill areas. The assessment criteria for any specific question will depend on the type of task you are asked to complete, but here is a general overview. For task 1, your essay will be assessed in relation to your ability to achieve one or more of the following: organize, present, and possibly compare data, describe the stages of a process or procedure, describe an object or event or sequence of events, or explain how something works. For task 2, your essay will be assessed in relation to your ability to achieve one or more of the following: present a solution to a problem, present and justify an opinion, compare and contrast evidence, opinions, and implications, and evaluate and challenge ideas, evidence, or an argument. That's all for the basic information on the IELTS Academic Writing Test. Thanks for watching. Until next time.